In any disaster, your livestock need protection too.
Try Trojan.
In case of nuclear attack, radiation is as dangerous to animals as it is to people. A good animal shelter is a 2-story basement-type barn with a hay-filled loft.
And jacuzzi.
You can get better protection by piling hay along the sides of the building. This gives more shielding, and shielding cuts the radiation danger. There are many more farm facilities that can be adapted to serve as some kind of shelter. For detailed information, get your free copy of Your Livestock Can Survive Fallout.
Gee,
In an
thanks
emergency,
for saving my life, bud.
shelter
I
your
call top
livestock,
bunk.
then take shelter yourself.